Hello and welcome to my little video of how to continue making some progress on your NEA. Hope you're all well and safe, but when you do get around to having some access to the computer, then you can make some progress in this way. So hopefully you've all got access to the OneDrive and in particular this file here, the ALevel 2021. I've shared that with you, so you should be able to open it up. Do email me straight away if you can't. And then you want to click on this one here, the checklist of dreams. So what that does when you press it, it opens up like this, and there we go, all the information you need. Okay, and basically it's a case of working your way through that. If you've got any questions, do email me straight away. So we'll start off with what this says. First of all, you have to explain the context and the reason you chose it. So in other words, why you have chosen to do this project in particular. You just need a little introduction into it. And then it's all about the background and the context of the area that you're researching. QRS, by the way, if you haven't seen that before, stands for quote it. That means directly quote the website that you are looking at, so the actual web address. The R stands for reference, so you reference the actual web address. You don't need if it's 50 characters long, you just need the first little bit. And then the S stands for summarize, or summary, and that means you write it in your own words, and that's kind of like the most important thing of that section. Okay, now the next bit, research plan. I've got a few examples I can show you of that. Hopefully that will work. If I do this and that, there we go. So, oh no, hold on. So there's three different examples I'm going to show you. This is a really detailed one. So essentially you start with, I'll stick to the red, the information that I need to find out. Okay, so you might need to find out about materials and manufacturing, a client that you want to look at, a user location, where you're going to use your product potentially, and existing products and where they're sold. So that's kind of generic for everyone really. I don't see anyone who wouldn't have those things. And then you put the information on it, why it will be useful, how you're going to gather it, and when you're going to collect it. And then you can fill this bit in a bit later on. So picking one of those, let's do client profile. Having a specific client or target market for which my design and product will allow me to produce a product that best fits their need. Okay, that sort of thing, that's the sort of level of detail. If we have a look at another example, this one's clearly not so good, not as detailed. It just says why and how. So we'll look at another one. This one is good again, it's nice and detailed. It's got the additional thing down here. Oh, pen doesn't quite work. Ergonomics and anthropometrics. And if your product warrants that, then you can put that in. Right, that's enough for now. Hopefully that all makes sense. Do email me straight away if you don't get that. I'll try and do regular little updates. Hope you're well. Bye.